Have you ever wondered how to create a culinary masterpiece when the elements are against you? Imagine the thrill of preparing a gourmet meal in the heart of the wilderness, on the shores of a sun-kissed beach, or amidst a swirling snowstorm. Today, we invite you to embark on a journey where cooking transcends the confines of a traditional kitchen and embraces the great outdoors. Welcome to Cooking Under Extreme Conditions, Outdoor Cooking Challenges. Hello, and welcome to our exciting culinary adventure. I am Donna Lois, and today, we will explore the art of outdoor cooking, where we will test our skills and creativity in some of the most extreme conditions nature has to offer. Whether you are an experienced chef or a novice in the kitchen, outdoor cooking presents unique challenges and opportunities for innovation. So, gather your gear, and let's dive in. The Wilderness Challenge. Our first challenge takes us deep into the wilderness, where we will prepare a gourmet meal using only the ingredients we can forage and a few essentials we've brought along. The key to successful outdoor cooking is adaptability. Let's begin with our first dish, a wild mushroom risotto, using foraged mushrooms and fresh herbs. Safety is paramount when foraging. Always ensure you can accurately identify the mushrooms you are collecting. For our dish, I've found some delicious chanterelles and a handful of wild garlic. Now, let's get cooking. Start by sautéing the mushrooms in a bit of olive oil over our portable stove. The aroma is simply intoxicating. Next, we'll add arborio rice, toasting it lightly before gradually incorporating vegetable broth. Remember, patience is key in risotto making. Stir continuously, allowing the rice to absorb the flavors while achieving that creamy texture. And there you have it, a sumptuous wild mushroom risotto, prepared right in the heart of the wilderness. Let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible flavors and the beauty of our surroundings. Cooking on the beach. Now we find ourselves on a sunlit beach, where our next challenge will be to prepare a seafood paella. The salty air and the sound of the ocean provide the perfect backdrop for this Spanish classic. To begin, we'll need a variety of fresh seafood. I've brought along some shrimp, mussels, and calamari. If you're near the coast, consider sourcing local seafood. First, let's heat the pan and add olive oil, followed by onion and garlic for a flavor base. Once the aromatics have softened, we'll add the rice and saffron, allowing the rice to absorb the flavors before adding our seafood. Paella is best cooked over an open flame, so let's ensure we maintain a steady heat. After a few minutes, our seafood will be cooked to perfection. The key to a great paella is to let it rest for a few moments before serving. This allows the flavors to meld together beautifully. Cooking in a snowstorm. Our final challenge takes us to a winter wonderland, where we will prepare a hearty stew to warm us up amidst the cold. Cooking in extreme conditions requires careful planning and the right equipment. Here, we have a portable camping stove designed for low temperatures. For our stew, we'll use root vegetables, hearty meats, and aromatic herbs. The beauty of cooking in the snow is that you can dig a snow pit to keep your ingredients cold until you are ready to use them. As the stew simmers, let's talk about the importance of staying warm and safe while cooking in such conditions. Always have insulated gear and a reliable way to build a fire if needed. And there you have it, a nourishing winter stew, perfect for recharging after a day in the snow. The warmth and comfort of a home-cooked meal are truly unmatched, no matter where you are. Today, we've explored the exhilarating world of outdoor cooking under extreme conditions. From the wilderness to the beach to a snowstorm, each environment presents its challenges, but with creativity and adaptability, you can create unforgettable culinary experiences. We hope this journey has inspired you to take your cooking skills outside and embrace the challenges that nature presents. Remember, the kitchen can be anywhere, and the joy of cooking is best shared in the great outdoors. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Until next time, happy cooking!